So, so we are having the specimen paper 2 of ISC Total English Class 11 textbook. So we will begin with the question number 3. Exam first question. People all over the world watched the final match on TV. Answer is the final match was watched on TV by people all over the world. Second, our watchman lost his job as he was late every day. Had our watchman not been late every day, he would not have lost his job. Now, third, the police are expecting to make an arrest shortly. It is expected that the police will make an arrest shortly. Now, D. Although he aspired for public recognition, he remained relatively unknown. In spite of his aspiration for public recognition, he remained relatively unknown. Now, the E part. The coach asked us to call him back later that day. The coach said, call him back later this day. Now, fill in the blanks first. The car battery has run down. The poor beggar was run over. The police called for. The gardener's honesty has never been called to. The driver was forced to hand over. They stood on the street corner handing out. I had to act upon her since she was out of time. They will act on. My friends stood by me during the crisis, and the teacher asked his assistant to stand by him in his absence. Okay, now let's move to the third part. Fill in the blanks in the passage given below. Now the answer of first is celebrated, fought, then third competing, fourth was marked, fifth become, sixth succeeded became, sorry, fifth is became, seventh had earned, eighth taking, ninth administered, and tenth honored. Okay, now it's time to move to the comprehension passage. First, A part, running fast, sprinting away. Second, state of losing relative, bereavement. Now third, considered, regarded. Okay, now we will have to use the uh, make sentence. Okay, figure. I came up with a different figures for presentation. Second, left. She touched my father's feet as she left our beautiful home. Third, being. I told children to be quiet, but they just keep on being noisy. Now, third part, answer the following question first. How strong was Uncle Edward Umberling in politics and at home? Umberling. Now, the answer is in the world of politics, Uncle Edward was considered a strong man, but at home he was not so strong because he was dominated by her wife Crispin. Now, second, what information was received by Uncle Umberleg on disappearance of Crispina Umberleg? Now, the answer is on disappearance of Crispina, Uncle Edward received the information that Crispina was kidnapped and was hidden in islands of the coast of Norway. The kidnappers were demanding £2,000. Now, third one. C. Why did Uncle Umberleg agree to pay the ransom? Uncle Edward agreed to pay ransom of £2,000 because he thought about other family members and himself without Crispin. Furthermore, he thought that kidnapper might harm her. Now, D part. What in reality had happened to Crispina? In reality, nobody had kidnapped to Crispina. Due to sudden memory loss, she had wandered uh, as far as Brinkman and found fairly steady job there. But later on, when her memory was restored, she returned home. Okay, let's move to the summary part. Okay, Crispina wandering away had been caused by a sudden loss of her memory. She had wandered as far as Brigham. She found fairly steadily job of putting people's room in proper order. She was disputed by a curate on where the state should be placed in a parish concert hall. This dispute led her to the restoration of her memory. Hence, due to the sudden dramatic restoration of her memory made her remember exactly where she was, she realized that she was not at home. Hence, often a uh, disappearance of more than 8 years. Finally, Crispina returned to her home. So this is all about this chapter. Make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.